Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel German Talks. Today we are again going to do a very important exercise which is there in chapter number 8 or Arbeitsbuch. Question number 12, solve. Now if you are doing self-study or even if you did this chapter from any institute or from any coaching, and if you had skipped this question or this exercise, now today I will tell you how important this type of exercise there are. Even in previous chapters also I explain you this type of exercise, but also I will tell you why this type of exercise is very important. Because what many times people do, like when they see this type of big text and they think it's very difficult and they skip this type of exercise, but it is very important. Now why it is important I will tell you. Here, this is a picture which I took from Training book. Okay, Training book. What does that mean? Like Goethe exam. Training book, it's like whatever the sample papers which are there in Training, it's same like Goethe exam, even exam. Okay. So this is the lesson part of tie lines. The first question. Okay. This is the first question of lesson tie lines. You can see here, Rishti Shuddha false. Okay. And how many questions you will get? Total 5 questions on this exercise. Okay. That's why in book they always give some exercise which is related to Goethe exam. For example, they have some. This is again same like Goethe exam. It's a sample paper. Again there is a one passage and you can see here 1-2 questions, and then you need to mark Rishti Shuddha false. Okay, you need to read it and then you will mark the answers. Okay, same like this 3, 4, 5, because they told here in question also total 5 questions are there. Okay, so again there is one more text like this. Again you need to read it and you need to mark the answers, right or false. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you here, if you will not going to do hard work here, then you are going to face problem when you will do your Training book, or when you are applying for the Goethe exam. So it is very important not to skip this type of exercise. Even in your coaching also, if they skip this type of exercise or they give you in homework, you are not doing it, or even if you are doing it in a homework and if you encounter the doubts, please ask them. Okay, all the logics, why there is right, why there is wrong and all. Rishtu should have false. Okay, because this is very important for your Goethe exam, because at the end after doing your A1, A2, B1, B2 and so on, you need to give Goethe exam. Okay, so this type of exercise is very important. So before starting the chapter number 9, first we need to do this because it is very important. Okay, so question, Frage Nummer 12. Wohne im Wagen. Mean, what does this mean? Live in the car or vehicle. Okay, Wagen. Lesen Sie den Text und die Sätze. We need to read the text and the sentence. Okay. Sind die Sätze richtig oder false? Are the sentences are right or wrong? These sentences. Okay. We need to read the text. This is the text and the sentence. And these are the sentences. Okay. And then what they are telling? Sind die Sätze, this Sätze is right or wrong? From this, it's right or wrong. And we need to mark it. Okay, so first we will see the text. Okay, now it's all upon to you in your exam that first you need to read the text, or if first you want to read the sentences. It's all upon to you. When you are going to do the Training book, like sample paper, while you are doing the practices, you will able to understand that first I need passage or first I need the sentences. It all depends on person to person. What I did, first I did the sentences. Okay, so that I can get a picture from this, that okay, what they're talking about, and then I go here. Okay, so that when I complete this text, then again if I will come to this sentences, then I have a clear picture. Okay, it should be right or it should be wrong. Okay, so it all depends on you. So Daniel 22 studiert Französisch, Geschichte und Germanistik. Okay, now here you already know meaning, stories or history. Okay, and this one is German studies. Er wohnt in einem Bus auf dem Uni-Parkplatz in Aachen. Okay, so he live in a bus of the university's Parkplatz in Aachen. Aachen is a place in Germany. Okay, and Uni means university. So he lives in a bus in the university's Parkplatz, parking place. Okay, and you can see here. Yara in Paris zum Studieren. Okay, he was 1 year in Paris to study. Seit September bin ich wieder hier in Aachen. So since September I am again here in Aachen. Und es gibt keine Platz im Wohnheim mehr. Okay, es gibt means there are. And there are no place im Wohnheim. Wohnheim means hostel. Okay, or dormitory. So there is no place in the hostel more. Ich hatte auch keine Lust auf so ein Wohnheim mit vielen Studenten. I also have no desire in the hostel with many students. Okay, this sentence. Ich habe keine Lust means no desire. I have no desire, okay, to live with other students in hostel. Zum Glück habe ich seit 3 Jahren einen Campingbus. So zum Glück I had since 3 years a camping bus. Okay, so they are talking about this. Okay, camping bus. Er ist klein. Okay, so it is small. Aber alles ist da, but everything is there. Okay, now he is telling about this, but that it is very small, but everything is there inside because it's like a camping bus. Es ist eine Mini-Wohnung und jetzt mein Haus. Now it is like a mini apartment for me and now it's my house. Okay, here Mini-Wohnung and my house. Da wohne ich seit 10 Monaten und finde es eigentlich ziemlich cool. Now, there I live since 10 months and I find it actually as quietly cool. Aber nicht alles ist einfach. Now they are using but. Nicht alles ist einfach. But not everything is easy. Now he will tell what everything is not easy, what are the problems he is facing when he is just living in this bus. Okay, so zum Beispiel here, zum Beispiel the post. Okay, the post. We will see what this post means. Zum Beispiel the post. Now, for example, if somebody is living in Germany and he don't have a permanent address and he is just living in this bus. Okay, so he is telling zum Beispiel the post. Post is the problem he told. Now, what does this mean? I will tell you. For example, this is the apartment where I live. Okay, and what he is telling about the post is this thing. Okay, this is the post. What does this post mean? Like I will tell you. For example, you come to Germany and you open your bank account. Okay, bank account. Or for example, you got a job. Or for example, you are a student and you are in university. Now, whatever the documents you are receiving from here, okay, first you need to provide them your address where you live. Okay, then only they can send you here. Okay, for example, I open a block account or bank account. Okay, so whatever the documents required, they will send me. Or for example, I was in university and university want to send me some documents. So where they will going to send me? I should have a proper address. Okay, so for example, I live here and for whatever the address is, I will give to university. Okay, then university will going to send me my post here. Okay, where my name is. Okay, so for example, here my name is Mayank, so they will send me post here. Okay, then I will check every day, and for example, I checked, and if it is there, then I will collected. Okay, so this is the meaning of post there. Okay, so that's what he is telling here, that there is some problem while living here in a bus. What's the problem? The post, that I don't have address. Okay, so whatever the documents which are receiving, where it will go, where it going to be go. Okay, so ich habe ja keine Adresse. I have no address. Yeah. Now what he's adding up? Eine Freundin bekomme jetzt meine Post. Okay, a friend, female friend, Freundin, you can see in, a female friend receive jetzt now my post. There is my female friend now who receives my post now. Und ich hole sie dort up, and I pick up from her. You can see here train bar verb abholen. Okay, abholen means to collect or to pick up. Okay. Im Winter ist es manchmal ziemlich kalt. Now again he is describing about this bus, that in the winters it is sometimes quite kalt. Yes, cold. Dann schlafe ich bei einem Freund. Also you can see here, right now there is no winter in Germany, but still I am wearing this, yeah, jacket. So he was telling about the winter also. Okay, so in winter it is very cold. Dann schlafe ich bei einem Freund. Then, now if it is cold, then he sleeps in his friend's apartment. Dann schlafe ich bei einem Freund. Wohnt in der Nähe. Und dann ein Schlafsofa. Okay. Then I sleep in a friend's apartment, and it is near only. He lives near only, near to the university. So nah means near. Und hat ein Schlafsofa, and he is having a sleeping, you can say sofa where he can sleep. Ich gehe dann für ein Einkaufen und koche etwas. Now I go then for Einkaufen, for shopping, and I cook something. Okay. Jeden Monat spare ich viel Geld. Now every month I save many money. Okay, because he is living in a bus, he don't need to give the rent. Ich zahle ja keine Rent. Here that's what he is telling, that I don't need to pay the rent. Okay, and zahlen means to pay. Okay, zahlen, and it's conjugated e according to ich. Da ist dort super, and that is super. Und meine Freund bekomme mich auf Besuch, and my friends visits me sometimes. Mein Bus steht auf dem Uniplatz, and my bus stays like it always there in the university's parking place. Leider, unfortunately bekommen sie manchmal schon sehr früh und wollen einen Kaffee bei mir trinken. Okay. Sie bringen Brotchen mit. Okay, and they brings breads. Und dann ist da schon okay, and that is okay. Bis zum Winter bleibe ich sicher noch hier und dann mal sehen. So he is telling now, till winter I will definitely be here, and then we will see what will going to be happen. Okay, so it was just a story about Daniel. Okay, that how he is living in this bus, and whatever the problem he is facing, and about his friends, and like in winter there are some difficulty living in this bus, and he discuss about his friends. Okay, now we will see the sentences. So first, Daniel wohnt im Wohnheim und am Wochenende im Campingbus. Okay, so this is false, because Daniel wohnt in Wohnheim. What does the sentence mean? That Daniel lives in a hostel, and in weekends, and he in weekends he lives in camping bus. So it's wrong. There is nothing about weekends. He completely live in camping bus. So that's why falsch. Nummer 2. Daniel had then Campingbus seit September. Daniel had camping bus since September. Now you need to see here this thing. Since September. Here you will see, since September bin ich wieder hier im Aachen. They just give information here till this one. Since September bin ich wieder hier im Aachen. So since September I am again here in Aachen. und es gibt keine Platz im Wohnheim. So there is no information about that. That since when he is living in the camping bus. So we will say falsch because of no information. 3. Daniels Post bekommen seinen Eltern. Is Daniel's, whatever the post is there, is it receiving to his parents? Is there anything about parents in the sentence? No. You will see here. Eine Freundin bekommen jetzt mein Post. A friend, a female friend receives its now post. Yes. So again, falsch. Okay. Im Winter ist es oft nicht warm im Bus. So you can see here, im Winter es ist oft nicht warm. Nicht warm. What is the opposite of nicht warm? Cold, kalt. Yes. So we can say in winter it is often cold in the bus. Yes. So we can see here sentence. Im Winter es ist manchmal ziemlich kalt. Yes. So what they're telling here. So means richtig. Yes, it is cold. Not warm, it is cold in the bus. So right. Nummer 5. Daniel zahlt Miete in einem Freund. So Daniel pays rent to a friend. There is nothing about rent here, that he is giving rent to his friend. Yes. So again falsch. Nummer 6. Daniel frühstückt manchmal mit Freundin zusammen. Here they told sie bringen Brötchen mit und dann ist da schon okay. Okay. So richtig. Then Nummer 7. Daniel möchte sofort umziehen. Okay, what does this mean? Umziehen means to relocate or to shift. So is Daniel want immediately to shift? Bis Winter bleiben ich sicher noch hier und dann. Okay, so there is nothing about information about that he want to immediately. So what means immediately? There is nothing he told that I want to shift immediately. Yes, he just said till here I will see, and then I will. He simply said that till winter I will stay here safely, sicher noch hier, and then mal sehen. Okay, so again falsch. Okay, so this was very important exercise of exam point of view. I told you also the reason why. Okay, so I hope you understand this exercise. Now from the next lecture we are going to do the chapter number 9. Okay, still if you have any doubt, please let me know on my Instagram. So danke schön, auf Wiedersehen, ciao.